Hi viewers, welcome to Civil Engineer TV. Myself, Dr. C.V. Sivaram Prasad. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create a ResearchGate account. So for that, first go to Google search engine. So here type ResearchGate and click enter button. So here we'll get the link of ResearchGate. Please click on here. And next it will land it into the ResearchGate website. If you have already a ResearchGate account, please log in from here, or if you are new for the ResearchGate, please join from here. It is completely free, and even you connect with LinkedIn and also Facebook and different types of social media platforms. And the ResearchGate, you can discover a lot of research, and also you can access over 135 million publication pages and stay up to date with what's happening in your field. If you want to search any publication, please click on here. And if you want to visit, for example, if you are from engineering background, please click on engineering background. You will get a lot of publications related to the engineering background. And even you measure your impact of your research paper, like you get in-depth statistics on who's been reading your work and keep track of your citations. So now we will join for free from here, and I will explain completely how to create a ResearchGate account here. So please click on here. So here you see join 17 plus million researchers are available in the ResearchGate. For suppose what type of researcher are you? For suppose if you are a student, please click on here, or if you are faculty also, please click on here. That means if you are from academic or student, please click this one to create a ResearchGate account. And for suppose if you are from corporate or government or NGO, that means if you are a R&D specialist or government employer, any other roles, please simply click on this one. And if you are from medical, like if you are from medical background or healthcare professional, please click this one. And this one is a not researcher. If you are not researcher, please click on this one. And the most important thing in this one, whenever you want to create a ResearchGate account, you must have institution mail ID. The ResearchGate account doesn't accept the Gmail or any other personal mails. Okay, now I will click on the academic or student because I am a faculty. So click. So here it will ask institution and also department. Please enter your institution details and also department details. Then click on the continue button. Next, here you will give the first name and last name and also your institution mail ID, and after that give the password here. Then please click I agree to the terms of service and acknowledge the privacy policy. Please click this one and click on the continue button. Then you created the your account. Then you go to the login again button. So you will enter your credentials like Gmail or institution mail, whatever you created with that one. Simply enter your password and also mail ID. So see, it is a my ResearchGate account. So here my name and also my photo added. This is the 7.21. This is the ResearchGate score. After that, here you will give introduction, brief introduction about you, like from where you are doing and what is your research interest and all things. Here you will give the disciplines and these are the skills. See, this is the statistics, like stats overview of your account. For suppose the total research interest and how many citations you have and how many recommendations from other researchers for your publication. And these are the reads, how many researchers read your papers. The count and stats are completely available here and visible to all researchers in the ResearchGate. And here it will show how many research publications you have and how many projects you have. So this it will all your papers. Next, coming to here, it is your institution. And also now even there is a new feature available here. It's like experience. Even you must, if you have free time, please give your experience and everything here, previous experience where you worked and all things. And these are the stats. Please click on stats. It will show completely stats history like research interest, citations, recommendations, reads, full text reads, and there is a graphical representation also is there. Even you will get a last week report if you want to see, the breakthrough. For suppose I have that 130 recommendation. If I want to show the recommendation from where I got, so everything shown here. So now I will explain how to upload a paper. For suppose I will show you, this is one of my best paper. It's like a published in Materials Today Proceedings. Now I want to upload this paper into the ResearchGate. Okay, so for that purpose, simply click on Add New Research. So here you will see, you will get a lot of parameters like published research, preprints, conference paper, presentation, poster, data, and other things. Even if you want to add project also, it is available here. Now I want to upload a paper. It is an article. Even if you want to upload book or chapter or conference paper or experiment findings or methods or poster or presentation or research proposal or your BTech, MTech or PhD thesis or technical report, whatever you want, you can simply upload in ResearchGate. It will visible to all the researchers and around the world. So now I want to upload a paper. Simply I click on article. Okay, see, it is asking add a public file or add a private file. For suppose your file is accessible to everyone if you add a public file, or if you add a private file, it will only show to you only. For suppose now I am adding a file. Okay, simply go to here and click on like this, and it will take some time to upload this one. Now it is uploaded. Simply I will click on this, then upload button. Now it will ask you completely what is the publication type, whether it is an article or book chapter, whatever it may be, and it is whether it is reviewed or not, and how to give a title. Okay, and who are the authors, and also everything. And DOI is a optional. Then click on continue. For suppose it is asking the authors, you can only add research to your profile. So simply remove this one. So simply select any one paper, any one author, then click on this one. Like I will add C Venkata Sivaram Prasad, my name. Okay, then click on continue button. So again it will ask you, DOI is optional. If you don't want to give the DOI, simply remove this one, then continue. So it will take to your article. Then if you want to view abstract, please click the abstract, or it has been peer reviewed. Simply click on as button, and journal name simply type here, and also enter volume, issue, and enter page, and also DOI is again it is a optional. And again, what project does this article belongs to? It is a project related to any type of your project. Simply click on this one, and if you want to give any feedback from any researchers, simply enter this one, then click on continue. So then it will upload your paper in the ResearchGate. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any doubts regarding this one, please contact me. My details are in description box. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and also click on bell icon to get further notification from Civil Engineer TV. Thank you so much.